Damage notion. The notion of damage generally refers to harm, injury, or loss suffered by a person or entity. In the context of insurance, damage refers to physical harm or loss that is covered under an insurance policy. This can include damage to property, such as a building or vehicle, or bodily injury to a person. Damage can result from a variety of causes, including accidents, natural disasters, or intentional actions. The extent of the damage can vary widely, ranging from minor scratches or dents to complete destruction of property or serious bodily injury. In order for damage to be covered under an insurance policy, it must be caused by a covered event or risk. For example, a homeowner's insurance policy may cover damage caused by a fire, but not damage caused by flooding or earthquakes, unless the policy specifically includes coverage for those events. When damage occurs, it is important for the policyholder to notify their insurance company as soon as possible and provide documentation of the damage, such as photographs, estimates for repairs, or medical bills. The insurance company will then assess the claim and determine if the damage is covered under the policy and the extent of coverage available. Overall, the notion of damage is central to the insurance industry, as it is the primary reason why individuals and businesses purchase insurance coverage to protect themselves from unexpected losses.